Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are on day 17 of Vlogmas and I have a very exciting video for you because I've kind of not been doing a lot of, Primark videos. I did a Primark haul recently. I've done hauls but not really anything else. So we're gonna dive in and test the waters by doing an unboxing, and from the thumbnail you would have seen I am unboxing the Naughty and Nice lip and eye vault. This retailed for £14. Primark's prices are going up like a lot, and just to let you know, I am wearing one of their lipsticks in Spice, which is their Satin Luxe lipsticks. So let's just unbox this, and maybe in the future if you want me to I will test it, because I'm sure on Boxing Day these usually go on offer, and we're not far from Boxing Day really, are we? We're over a week away. I love Boxing Day sales, absolutely love them. So it is just red and it's like your typical Christmas theme, and that's what I love about it, because other than the BH Christmas selection that just came out with like the palettes and the highlighters, they actually had some lip and brushes which we didn't have in the UK. Nothing has done the traditional Christmas colours for their gift sets. Like Revolution come out with so many gift sets, but none of them were like traditional Christmas looking. It's got the candy cane colours over it, it's got little speckles, it's red, it says Naughty and Nice, just like the BH set that said Naughty and Nice. So we're just going to dive straight into this lovely little box. It opens up from the bottom like so, and then this is what you're greeted with: an eyeshadow palette, I think a mascara, a lip gloss, oh it's got a brush, a lip liner and a lipstick. I actually have the lip vault that Alex has recently swatched, and I'm so excited to get that lip vault because all those colours are very unique and very like what I would want to use, so I'm so excited for that vault. But this is what, 6 items for £14, so it's just over £1 per item, maybe what, like just under £1.20, which is quite good. It's still a little bit expensive for Primark, I must admit, so let's just dive straight into it. This is actually another material around the side of the box, so it's very cute, and the main reason I got it was for the palette. Now the palette does not remind me of Christmas, I'm just going to throw it out there. Doesn't remind me of Christmas whatsoever, the colours. It reminds me of autumn. We're going to start off with the lipstick, which is a red lipstick. It's got no shade name on it. Ooh, I'm hoping it's not like a light red. Like, I love these deep colours on me. I really don't want it to be a light colour. It's a bit too light. Like, look at that. It's nice. It's a really lovely colour. I just wish it was a bit darker. And I do love the formula of these lipsticks, but I must admit, these Satin Luxe lipsticks, I know they're £2.50 and you get less product in them, but they just feel a bit more luxurious. Like, they're what's that word? Magnetic. They're soft, they're creamy, they just feel that little bit better. You can tell the difference between these and those. Then we have this lip liner of Ken. It's just a red lip liner, and it literally is, it matches the lipstick to a T. It's like a raspberry pink. They're both more raspberry shades, which is annoying. I do feel like the packaging is more Christmassy. I'm happy about that. I just wish it was, the actual products were more Christmassy, if that makes sense. Ooh, and then we get a flat brush. You know what? These flat brushes are so good for like your cut creases, putting on shimmer shades, especially those putty shades from Revolution. These brushes work much better than some of the other brushes, and you know what, you can't go wrong with a flat brush. Like, you need it for a lot of your shimmers, and these ones really pick up shimmers really well. It is a small little tiny brush, but like, it's not too small, it's not like a travel size brush, and it's not like a massive brush, so it's a really nice medium sized brush. And you know what, I'm happy I've got it. It's red, it doesn't feel too cheap. It's nice, it's red and silver. The bristles aren't falling out at all. Sorry, I've got makeup on my fingers. I was thinking, crap, I've put it on the brush. So the bristles are really nice, can't go wrong, and I would love to see how this works in a tutorial. Then we have their Christmas lip gloss. Now this is really red. I hope it is as red as it's showing up in the tube. I love the packaging. Ooh, and that's like a nice clear Oh, this is like the XX Revolution thick gloss formula. Oh my god. Now that is the type of red that reminds me of Christmas. This is the red that should have been a lipstick, should have been a lip liner. I wouldn't minded having the same shade of red in the whole collection. Some people might have, but I really wouldn't. That dark red just screams Christmassy to me. Like, that is your Christmas colour. So if people are going to bring out Christmas sets, this is the colour to bring out. Like, please stop bringing out these raspberry reds. They're just not for me. Christmas, I want that dark red. Then we've got this Eyes for Santa, I want to say mascara. I'm going to guess it's a mascara. It's like a clear tube with like an insert in it. So, and it looks like a candy cane in there. It's really cute. Let's see. I'm saying it's a mascara. Oh, and this is a type of wand I like. This reminds me of the chocolate dip wand, if I can find it. It's much more heavier and weighted though. I swear, if this mascara is any good and they don't bring it out again, I'm going to be so unhappy. Yeah, look, see, it's the exact same kind of wand, just a little bit bigger. Like, you know those plasticky ones? I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to use this mascara. Like, it looks really wet looking, and it reminds me of the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara as well, because it's really wet. Once the wetness dies down a little bit, it is a nice mascara, the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and even the chocolate dip was such a lovely mascara. So what did I even wipe that red on? There's like red stained on my hand. Don't know where I rubbed it. So yeah, I've got high hopes for the mascara. Okay, then we have the eyeshadow palette. Now I know I said I wasn't a fan of the actual colour range, but let's take that stupid plastic off. Look at the outside. It actually says it's Christmas eyeshadow palette on there. It's cruelty free on here as well. It does feel quite cheap, but because these palettes are usually what, £2–3, I don't expect anything different. But what we can do is swatch. Oh my god, it is so cute. Let's swatch some of these shades. Okay, it's not the most pigmented palette either, but they were the lighter shades. So here are some of the darker shades. Not swatching the greatest, but there is some of the darker shades. And then let's do the last row. And the last row is here. It's really hard because it is quite a pale palette. Like, the shades are a bit lighter. I wonder what this would look like on my eyes. So overall, you get these 6 nice little items in this set. £14. Now looking at it, I'm thinking definitely wait for an offer. Eyeshadow palette, what, like £3? Lip gloss like £1.50. Mascara's like £1, £2 there. Lipsticks, these lipsticks I think are about 90p, a pound. A lip liner, £1. A brush, 50p. I don't even think it would make up £14, but it is adorable. Like, the packaging is cute. The lip gloss is stunning, absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to use that lip gloss. The brush is something I will reach for. The lip liner I will reach for. Everything I will use. So it is a nice little set, and I kind of would recommend if you can get it a little bit cheaper. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. If you do want me to actually use these items in a video, please let me know and I will get onto that. I know I don't reply to my comments straight away. It's just that I do work full time and then I'm filming full time basically. So it's like having 2 jobs. It's crazy. But yeah, over Christmas, I'm going to get back to all my comments. But if I see a comment about can you do this, can you do that, I really do try and prioritize them kind of videos for you guys. So yeah, I do see them. So if you do want me to do this, please let me know and I will get straight into it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you for sticking around because tomorrow's video is a giveaway. So I really hope you enjoyed and I will see you soon. Bye guys.
Merry Christmas!